Today we're in the Wild West. Yeehaw! So we have our Play-Doh, we have our markers and our paper, and we have our Legos. And it's all about the Old West. We're going to make 3 things that's all about the Wild West, right? We're going to make something out of Play-Doh, something we're going to draw, and something out of Legos. So let's start. I think we'll start with our Play-Doh. We'll set that off to the side. We'll start with our Play-Doh. We'll take red, and we're gonna make a Play-Doh horse, right? What's more Wild West than a horse, right? A cowboy's got to have a horse. Have a horse. Have a horse. So we're gonna make our. Once again, we're gonna start with our sort of egg shape, right? And horse has how many legs? 4 legs. We're gonna give him 4 legs. We're gonna pinch out the 4 legs, right? See that? 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. And a horse does have a tail, right? It's got that kind of wispy, tail. And he's got, then we have to sculpt up the head. And it kind of looks like, a horse sort of looks like a big dog, maybe. So he's kind of got a little bit of a snout or whatever, right? So we're gonna keep working the legs there. We're gonna make the head come up a little bit. Gonna make him a little bit more healthy looking, a little bit more, strong maybe. But so there, I think it's really coming together. There's the tail. Oh, and he does have ears. Horses have ears. Right? Oh, yeah, look at that. That's perfect. Look at. See what I did? I pinched out the 2 ears, right? He's got his sort of snouty mouth there. He's got his 4 legs. He's got his tail. There, that's our Play-Doh horse. Right? So there's our Wild West Play-Doh horse, okay? All he needs is a saddle and a cowboy. All right, so there's our Play-Doh horse. We made a Play-Doh horse because we're in the Wild West. Let's put that aside, and let's make a cowboy now. I think we're going to make a cowboy out of Legos. So let's just take out a few here, and we'll see what we can come up with. Cowboy is just a person, right? He's going to have 2 legs, and we'll make him a little bit tall, not too tall, but there's his legs, right? They look like 2 L's there. And we'll put his body together like this. We'll start working on his body, and I think we'll add another one, and maybe we'll add one more. And then we're gonna this is what's gonna be important though. We're gonna give him these arms. He's got his legs, he's got his arms, right? It could be anything. It could be anything right now. It could be a cowboy, could be a superhero, could be a robot, could be anything at this point. But here's where it becomes more cowboy-ish. Right? We're going to give him his neck, and we're going to give him his head. And then, let's make his arms a little bit bigger. We'll give him hands that are coming out. Right? That's where we he lassos and he does all his cowboy business and stuff. And we're going to make him, there's his head. But now, what's he need? He needs his cowboy hat. So let's take this piece. See that? We're going to give him this flat top hat. And there we go, right? See, before the hat, he just looked like a robot. He just looked like a regular, average Joe. Now that he has his hat, let's make it a little bit taller, actually. Now that he has his hat, can you see it? He's all cowboy. Maybe he's the sheriff in town. Who knows? But he's the cowboy, and he's riding on the horse. See that? Oh, very cool. Look we have our horse, we have our cowboy. Everything about the Old West. And we're going to do one last thing. So we made our Lego cowboy. We made our Play-Doh horse. And now we're going to draw our sheriff badge, right? We're going to draw our sheriff badge. A sheriff in the old West town had to have a badge. And you know what that badge usually was? It was usually a star. So we're going to make a star. We're going to start with a point on top, right? Just like that. And we're going to add another point over here and another point over there, right? So it's starting just like that. And we are going to one more point, all connected. So there's our star. It's going to be our badge. And because it's the sheriff, let's add a nice S right in the middle to let people know that this isn't just a regular old badge. This is the sheriff's badge. I am the law, right? And let's color it and let's make it a little bit, it doesn't have to be so boring. It could be, nice. It could be a really nice accessory to wear. We'll color it in. This is going to be our sheriff badge. Now, I went with the star shape for a badge, but if you're going to make a sheriff badge, it could be anything. It could also look like a shield. Sometimes there's some that look, a little bit like a shield, right? Like this, and they have the S in the middle, like that. You could do a badge like that. But you could make it any shape you want. You could make it any shape you want. You can make a circle one if you want. So there you have it. We did 3 things all related to the Wild West. We made our sheriff badge. We made our super cool Lego cowboy. And we made our awesome Play-Doh horse. 3 things all about the Old West, the Wild West. Play-Doh horse, Lego cowboy, drew our badge. 3 things, super fun. Now, remember, I want you to get out your Legos and your Play-Doh and your markers and your paper and make something. It doesn't have to be about the Wild West. Could be about anything. Just get out your markers and paper, your Play-Doh and your Legos, and be creative and have fun and make something. Okay? Bye-bye.